On Ioniq5, there's a number of different models that we get in Ireland. So you got like an Executive, which is the first model. You've got an Executive Plus, like the black one there. You got the Premium, which is the third one. You got a Platinum down there at the end. Just for keyless access. So somebody had asked about keyless access on these cars. So, you know, okay, they don't have keys essentially, but more what I mean is without even having to touch the fob. So this one is the first one. So for the first three models, you walk up to the car. And what you do is, well actually, let me walk away again. So you get this welcome function. So again, as I walk up to the car, just watch the wing mirrors and little lights will come on at night time as well. So they pop out just to welcome me. I haven't touched anything on the car, so that's standard on all the models. This one here, however, if you see there's a little indentation here, if I press that inwards, you can hear the click and now I can get into the car. So I haven't touched anything in terms of the key fob. And if I want to lock it, again, I just push along here and it locks in. So that would be standard in Ireland for Executive. Executive Plus down there is the black one, the Premium one being the third one over here as well. A little bit different for the Ford models onwards. So these are Platinum, and then you can get a Premium Plus and a Premium Plus all-wheel drive. In that case, what you do is you walk up to the car for keyless entry, you press a little indentation in the middle, a little tap. The other one is actually where you physically push the door handle inwards, whereas this one is just a tap along here along the centre. Door handle comes out. Oops, left it for too long. Door handle comes out and you access it and close it again, and then to lock it, similar idea, just a little bit of a depression along here and it pulls back in. So that's just to give you an idea of keyless access on Ioniq5 in Ireland in the different models. So the first three models, they work in one way, and then this fourth model onwards. So Executive, Executive Plus, Premium, that's how they work. Platinum, Premium Plus onwards, that's how they work. Thanks for watching.